Hola a todos, buenos días, mi nombre es Jeskiel Juanito Owen Tobing, tengo 25 años, soy de Indonesia, pero ahora yo vivo en España. Yo estudio Máster en Innovación de Turismo y Mercadeo. Ahora yo vivo en España y quiero trabajar en España. Después graduarme, quiero buscar amigo también. Aquí en España no hay mucho personas quiere hablar en español. Por eso quiero aprender español. To be honest, when I'm in Indonesia, I did a lot of research. I tried to learn Spanish from YouTube for some free sources or Duolingo. It didn't help much for me because I don't know how to practice. I don't have anybody who wants to learn Spanish with me, so I just learn without doing it. So I just receive a lot of information, but I never practice the Spanish course. For me, the most things that I'm struggling with is speaking. It's the most important part, especially when you live in Spain or here. We have to speak, like, even though you only want to go to supermarket or you want to ask, you want to find something, you will speak something. I'm struggling in speaking, and because of Bestlang, they based on speaking learning, so they forced me to speak a lot of Spanish thing, even though I'm still make a lot of mistakes or sometimes I confused about how to start, how to speak. They always help me by the teacher. Basically, here in Spain, I try to compare every language school, every language course, whether there's online or offline course. I compare by the classes, the prices, the tutors, everything. And then suddenly one of my friends in Indonesia, they told me about Bestlang, and I checked it, and it's pretty cool. I mean, Bestlang provide us kind of like you can learn as much as you want, like 24 hours a day in a week. If you have a lot of time, you can practice more. I think this kind of business model is pretty cool. It's very worth it for me. I don't mind about like the prices because I want to learn a lot in Spanish, so that's why I choose Bestlang. After I signed up in the Bestlang, I literally shocked that it's not just an advertising, it's not just a marketing, it's really real that I can do the lesson, like I can book the class even 5 minutes before. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I learn like almost 3 until 4 hours a day, so it helps me a lot. Like they force me to practice speaking, not just speaking everything, because for me, if you want to learn some new language, it's not about just how much do you learn a day, but it's how much you learn it every day. So the consistency of learning. As I said before, that real world program from Bestlang helps me a lot about you can learn a lot as much as you can in online. Like, so you cannot excuse about you don't have any time in the morning, in the night, in the afternoon, or in the evening. You can book from 12 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock at night. Literally, there's a lot of teachers from Latin America, and they will help you for your Spanish class. This is my third language, so my first language is Bahasa Indonesia, and then English is my second language, and now I'm learning Spanish as my third language, and it helps me a lot, especially here in Murcia. I don't live in big cities such as like Madrid or Barcelona, so here people doesn't speak English a lot, so that's why I have to adapt to their culture, to their language. So that's why here also they're very happy when I'm as an international student try to speak their language. After my first month in Bestlang, I realized that for me, Spanish is not that hard as a language, because you just need to learn the phrases, and Bestlang will give you a lot of tips how to use the phrases in Spanish easily. I think that's all for me. For you guys, people out there who still searching for the language school, especially for Spanish school, Spanish language, I would like to recommend Bestlang as your language school, because yeah, I think it's very worth it, and they will guarantee you everything. If you don't like the course after 1 month, they will give you a refund, something like that. So even though I don't have time for do the learning online Zoom call, they have a lot of lessons and curriculum that I can do it by myself without a tutor, and we can check it after I have time, and then I start. I just need to book the teachers. That's it. Thank you so much.